Hello everyone, I wanted to show you, make a video here. I want to show you that you can create a small factory out of any place that you have almost. I'm going to show you this one, okay? This is on the back side of a house, okay? This is a house here in Indonesia. Alright, you can create a small factory, foam factory. This is a delivery truck. Let's go back here, it's work area, so don't pay attention to that, but we're going to go down these steps, alright? And I know everybody doesn't have steps, but you can create it with what you got. Video. Then there's your formula. Okay, this is the box area. This is where they manually create the foam. And when you work with us, we always stress the mixer. Okay, this mixer was created by us. So it's mixed at 3,000 RPMs before it gets turned into here. Alright, and then I want to show you something else. So up there, so you have the box here, and then you have up there. Alright, now let's go up there. So you see how big this area is, right? So it doesn't take a whole lot. Alright, so this is upstairs. Okay, this is where they wrap the mattresses. It's a mess. There's a lot of foam getting created here daily. Alright, there's pillows, body pillows, mattresses. Okay, so down below you saw the foam where it was created, and then up there. Alright, so what happens is they have their cutter machine here. This cutter machine then moves forward, and then they pull the foam directly above, up, move the cutter machine under it, lay it down, and then they begin to horizontally cut. Again, this machine was hand built. Hand built from scratch. It wasn't purchased anywhere. It was all put together and built here directly as you see it. But I wanted to make this video. I wanted to show you guys that it really doesn't take a huge area to create your small factory. Alright, this is a lot of mess right here, and there's some people that come and actually buy all this scrap. They actually sell all this scrap, so you can actually create money that way as well. But you got this area, and this is from here. So you got here, because again there's a lot of stacked up. There's a lot of production going on here for a small factory. Alright, and then we walk into this room here, and you have two sewing machines where people make the covers, etc. And then you have your corner machine. Of course, this mattress is just sitting on here, but this is the corner machine that will put the ribbon onto the mattresses with the quilted fabrics. Again, this was built here, other than, we didn't build the sewing machine, but we built the rest of it, and then this is what it creates. Puts the fabric, different ribbons on the fabrics, or quilted, to cover up your foam. But I wanted to make this, and then we go out, and again, it's just the garage. So you can create a small factory on the back side of your house. Again, this is in one that was created here in Indonesia. And hopefully this answers some questions for people, gets you a little motivated. Anything is possible if you're wanting to do it. So hopefully this helps. Talk to you on the next one.